Yeah man, so you know, Viral J.A. back in Mandeville town again with a next epic video. You see it? Yeah man, you know, son, I love last week video we do at the town, you see it? Everybody mash up the entire place and I tell you like good artists, good talent. You see? So today we're back again, you know. I search and see if we find more talent, because you know I say yeah. We have to put them out there. We have to get out there, you see? Yeah man, so now I got to prolong this thing, so I'll get into the video. So, you know, remember to subscribe, share, comment down below, and you know, yeah man, tell your parents, tell your family, you know, family member, yeah, everybody, just share the video, you see? Yeah man, cut, out.
You know I'm my Uncle Raymond and the thing well mad. Everywhere I go the thing mad. What a shine, shine.
Yeah man, so you know, say Viral J.A. back in the streets again in Mandeville with our next artist. You see it? So introduce yourself now, sir.
You know the glory, you know man. Walk it glory, you know, now tell a story, you know man. So I say I don't put before, you know man. This is called a board, you know man. Yeah. You know, girl live in girl Chester, right? That's a cool place.
So today we have a performing artist. Can you introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah man, Substance, you know. Promoting the Louis Castorel, isn't me? And the Black in Manchester, or Galchester as them call it. Yeah man, we out here man.
So where them can find you on social media?
You can find me on social media at Substance204 on TikTok, Substance Artist on Instagram, or Louis Castorel, isn't me?
Yeah man, so you know, say Viral J.A. in the streets again in Mandeville. You see it? So today we're there with our upcoming artist. So introduce yourself now.
You don't know anything, so you don't know say about Most Rich Well Body. As I can find me up on the gram, Most Rich One Well Body. Is him Most Rich Official. Is there, find me up on the Bombay YouTube at Most Rich. That I'm a big page. As I go subscribe with the pranks, interviews and all of them things there. My next page, Most Rich Well Body. Is me, Most Rich Well Body Music. Is I. That's M-O-S-R-I-C-H. You don't know, you can spell though. Alright, check it later, them and do the alphabet, you know? Yeah.
Alright. So, we're going to drop a big gear, or you just do a thing for you, is it?
Alright, see what going on. I'm say ice for my neck and my wrist and my wrist it freezing. I'm say ice for my neck and my wrist and my wrist it freezing. Ice for my neck and my wrist and my wrist it freezing. I'm say ice for my neck and my links them thick. Upstairs we are brought with two bad bitch. Say she love me images sicker than seat. Make the money fast out, so I deal with the quick chum. Now the beamer and drive off with your bitch. Anywhere I go, be a girl I say my seat. Nike up on foot dog, be a new kicks. Do the badness dog and we are pro. Roll up and squeeze up your girl teeth like a chigga. That's how we squeeze it. Like a chigga dog, you want so we squeeze it. Like a chigga dog, you want so we squeeze it. I'm the badness lock, so we dash where the key. So we dash where the key. I'm the badness lock, so we dash where the key. Oh, you got no one. Yeah. I'm say ice for my neck and my wrist it freezing. Say go on.
Alright. So we are going to drop a beat. I'm going to just give you a little thing for you, see?
Alright. Let me tell you. Afford you to music get a week. Me have to make it work. Youth have to eat. A security run Jamaica, yeah we in the street. Hustle we hustle the money, car we don't have it deep. But it's a sign when pay drop. And me pocket couldn't find when it drop. Still have to hold off me spot. One by cash pot, but lord the shop lock. But anyways, money there same way. So we are going to hold it up until payday. Money there same way, so we are going to hold it up. Money there same way, so we are going to hold it up until payday. Money there same way, so we are going to hold it up. Just alright. It's a 9 when me dey a party. Officer call me duty. Castorel, we part, we beat, we boil it. Yeah, Castorel, we made it. You don't know. Me grab me keys and me drive her road. Girl say she want to head down so. Grab the mic and I ask how me son want go in a studio do the remix. I know nothing for me get girl all about. Girl send picture to the phone right now. Grab me mic and I ask how me son want go in a studio do the remix now. Me no have to spend money fi get girl, but spending money is essential. Me want go the club, fi see girl wind up. Girl like drink Hennessy, yeah, her pride drunk. I wine pan it. I mean I tell it this dog me the junk and I me tonic. Me just whisper in her ears. Tell her say me ready for it. Me part, me beat, me boil it. With the castor we have it in a Manchester town. Me part, me beat, me boil it. Me get me castor oil. We part, we beat, we boil it. Beat, we boil it. We part, we beat, we boil it. One hear the uses. A good for hair growth, for joint pain. Wash out, good for hair growth, for joint pain. Wash out, got that shit.
Respect here. Yeah man, Viral J in the streets again with the next artist. Yeah man, check him out, you see it. But we are gonna drop a beat here. I just do a little thing for you see? What you say?
Yeah, the glory, you know, man. Girl Chester, girl Deville. I'm gonna tell her arcade, you know, the whole place there. See it, yeah? Yes, I would there. Juice and water, we sell shoes too, and clothes, everything.
What we say?
Yeah, but I can represent for the girls, them. You don't want to look a piece, guys. The girls are asking feet from with you, you know. I mean, ask you, what you say? What you want from me?
What them want?
Yeah,
What you say?
You keep a year, they keep a year to TV, baby. Living in your belly like chichi, baby. What keep glory about me? I know pity, baby. So, when you say you want me, say you keep baby. You keep a year, they keep a year to TV, baby. Living in your belly like chichi, baby. What keep glory about me? I know pity, baby. So, shift the party, see the pretty, baby. Fire pan a boy, want to kiss baby. Gunshot in the head, while he might kill baby. So see the lipstick, I make me sticky baby. Call like a gear shift, man, I go shift baby. Turn it back, we a beat it till it's a baby. Don't for your report, man, baby. And I feel your girl, man, that it baby. So when you say you want me, say icky baby. Icky pa your neck, pa your titty baby. That living in your belly like chichi baby. Wacky glory, I bang me, no pity baby. So when you say you want me, say icky baby. Icky pa your neck, pa your titty baby. That living in your belly like chichi baby. Wacky glory, I bang me, no pity baby. So girl tell me she want give a man bun. Text my phone, my place she want come. Me tell her say bring 2 pack of condom. Make sure I long love her all night fun. 3 span of me years so long she want give me some. Marathon I run about 3 times she come. Tears of joy, yeah, she still having fun. Bust her belly, get her daughter and her son. I say, what you say you want? Icky baby. Icky pa your neck, pa your titty baby. That living in your belly like chichi baby. Girl say you're pretty, say you're pretty, say you're pretty. Girl say you're pretty, say you're pretty, say you're pretty. No ugly girl coulda never say them pretty car. Girl say you're pretty, say you're pretty, say you're. Girl say you're pretty, say you're pretty, say you're pretty. Girl say you're pretty, say you're pretty, say you're pretty. Hey, girl say you're pretty, say you're pretty, say you're pretty. No ugly girl coulda never say them pretty car. Girl say you're pretty like Nicki Minaj, and you sexy like Miss Kitty. Girl say me love see your stiff titty, and when you cock up on a bike, I me see Jesus Christ, me I beg you help me. She make me blood hot like a cup of coffee. Blood start to boil up. Yes! I want to say that, but big up yourself, man. Well, you catch me off guard, man. You know about it.
Yeah, man. Respect, you see it. Viral J in the street, you see it. Yeah, man.
I me say custom girl and some custom kicks. Custom beats, say she wants out. Say she love my style and my eyes, say drip. Say she love my flow, come my flow if I see it. Me say custom girl and some custom kicks. Custom beats, say she wants out. Say she love my style and my eyes. Say you don't know what going. You don't know what going. Watch her. Hey, watch her. Then hotter than grab a leaf try, but not hotter piece. We give my brain a ease, girl. Give me head with these. Say she love my style and my flow and my melodies. Anywhere I go, me left her image in the memory. Fragrance and my color make she hug me and she never leave. Girl have to go down for knees and I beg the God for ease. Multiply the pressure from the to the. Anywhere I go, girl, I say the God's way. Clean skin, thick as one, living a me lobby like me and her daddy, Zaddy. Girl from Paris, I say she love me, want give me her body. Smooth like a lotion, no biggie, no deep like no ocean. Top man, top gang, well bad gang. I me say custom girl and some custom kicks, custom beats, say she wants up. Say she love my style and my eyes with a drip. Say she love my flow, cause my flow if I see it. Me say custom gal and some custom kicks, custom beats, say she wants some. I hear the next part. Alright, here we go now. Alright. Them gal come and I'm like every day. Say me at the head, my gate, she call me Ali. let it go. Don't tap it. Watch her. Then girl call my name like every day. Say me at the heavyweight, she call me all the heavy gate. Pull up at the heavy gate, she never late. Girl I use her mouth for days, and a baby girl for stay. Say she woulda never stream, I know she want. Yeah, can't get the whole answer.
You know what's nice sweet. Yeah, peeps, so that was the ending of our next successful video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share, comment down below. You know, like up the video, yeah man, and press subscribe. You see, you want to support this channel some more, just subscribe, yeah, and watch the videos. That's all. You see, yeah man. So we're out. You see, couldn't get rid of no more video cars. You know, we're in there pulling and things, so we have to cut. You see, so yeah man. Thanks for watching. Bye, RJ.
Go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go.